Single action for safety connection. How to use 3P breaker adapter. Still struggling with clip connections with a breaker? Solution is here. Connection to breaker. Traditional alligator clips easily come off and it may lead to electrical accidents. But our 3P breaker adapter just requires single action for safety connection. Feel relaxed during long measurement periods. Check for secure connection. When a secure connection with a breaker is established, the color through the window changes from black to white. Connection examples with measuring instruments. Our 3P breaker adapter is connectable with various testers including power meter and logger by using 5-4 banana plug. How to use tip attachment. When connecting this adapter to a breaker with a high ampere frame, turn the length extendable tip attachment counterclockwise and detach it. Turn the tip attachment upside down and screw it clockwise. Then the length of the lugs are extended by 8 mm. Able to meet various use cases. Not all breakers are supported by this adapter. Please check the manual before use.